Alright, you see this? You see this? We're getting rid of it. Instead, we're getting this. Now, you probably can't see much of it because the fishing line is hard to see. But this fishing line actually goes through this boat and sheath and out the other side. So I can use fishing line instead of wire. A lot cheaper for me to rig up stuff. Which means I can start making some really cool fingers. And I'm going to be making a hand for Judd McStud using this method. I've got 4 of these. I'm already starting to print right now. So he can start going and grabbing stuff. And with the Marduk nearing completion, it means I'm going to start putting in a lot more effort in promotion and all that sort of fun stuff. I'm going to be like walking around the town and saying hi to people in the suit and waving hi and all that sort of fun stuff. You know, like those Wired guys did with their suit, giant robot suit. I'm going to do it with my suit. But mine's going to be cooler because it's cheaper. So, thought you might like to see that. I am still in 3D printing and stuff and still working on innovating. I'm not going to stop just because Marduk is almost done. So, I ended up fingering you for this video, and if you enjoyed that, be sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.